Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the Star Wars Masterworks Hobby Box. We got 4 mini boxes in here, guaranteed 2 autographs. So I'm excited. I love these. It's not too often that we can do one of these, but you know what you got to do? Leave me a comment. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for our monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker's stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today, I'm going to be throwing in a rookie card, Will Craig auto, and a Joe Dempsey autograph from Game of Thrones. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them? All you have to do is just leave a comment. All right, let's get this show on the road. Oof. Every time I open up one of these, it's like opening up. It's like the Indiana Jones. These what was it? Temple of Doom? Temple of Doom, yeah. There he goes. Got to put the sandbag on the weight. Oh, there it is. Yowzers. Here we go, guys. Oh. Broke the seal. All right, let's get our mini boxes out. And guys, all our subscribers, they have first dibs on our breaks. So if there's any cards that you want, you're interested in, just gotta let us know. And we will save you first dibs. All right. It's kind of light, it's probably an autograph. All right. Here we go. Mini box number 1. Come on. Don't open up from the top, go from the bottom. All right, mini box number 1. Go. Just set you up there, put you right over there. All right. Big, huge shout out to Jason at Baseball Card Clubhouse. Pulled a box to the side for me. Really appreciate it, Jason. Thanks a lot. If you haven't had a chance, stop by Baseball Card Clubhouse. He just opened up a new case of this, so they're gonna go quick. All right, so we got Satine Kryze. We got a Yoda, very nice Yoda. And we got an Admiral Akbar blue parallel. A 50th Lucasfilm Star Wars Masterwork, Star Wars The Phantom Menace parallel card. And autograph of Governor Price. Governor Price. It's a nice autograph. It's a decent autograph. I mean, it's a good looking autograph, I should say. So Governor Price is our first auto hit. Alrighty. Don't go anywhere, Governor. Box number 2. Box number 2. Box number 2. Looks like we got Ezra Bridger. Ooh, Bo-Katan Kryze. Very nice, very nice. We got our second auto. Ooh, a Darth Maul blue parallel. Very cool. And I am your father parallel. Cool scene. Bo-Katan Kryze. And Tan Wee. We got a Tan Wee. Tan Wee autograph. Huh. Looks like I did not pick the best one, maybe, but I don't know. We still got 2 more boxes. Get a autograph printing plate, maybe. That'd be sweet. All right. Number 2 feels like a medallion. Those were our 2 autographs. Maybe I'm saving the best for last. Maybe there's a gold 101 card in here. Holy smokes, that'd be just insane. All right. All right, so we got a Galen Erso. Ooh. We got an IG-11 blue parallel. And we've got a Tusken Raider. Very cool. Well, you know what? For the 2 bad autographs, I can't believe this. Holy smokes. Wow. Okay, here we go. Galen Erso. And we've got a Wood Jawa card and a Princess Leia sketch card. Holy smokes! And that is 10 of 10. A 10 of 10 Jawa card. A 10 of 10 Wood Jawa. And a beautiful Princess Leia sketch card. Holy smokes, this beats out most autographs, I'm thinking. Wow! A sketch card and a 10 of 10 Wood card. Holy smokes, what a box! Yowzers. Dang, that is awesome. For sure, awesome. A Jawa 10 of 10. Holy smokes, 10 of 10 Jawa card. And a freaking sketch card. Yeah, this was a good box then. Autographs, not too much, but these, the sketch card, oh, outstanding. Amazing Princess Leia. And a 10 of 10 Wood card. Holy cow. Still got 1 more box left. So, wowzers. All right, let's see what we get in this last box here. That beats a medallion card for sure. Outstanding. All right, last mini box. Let's see what we get out of here. All right, we got a Boss Nass. We've got a Boga. A green IG-88, numbered to 99. Very nice. Numbered to 99 IG-88. I'll take it. And we've got Be Careful Not to Choke on Your Aspirations. Darth Vader parallel card. And a 3rd autograph. What? A Thromba. We've got 3 autographs. What a box. Not 2, but 3 autographs. Holy cow. Yowzers. 3 autographs, 1 wood card, and a printing and a sketch card. Wow, what a smoker box. They made up for the, you know what, we're not going to give you like some really big name autographs, but you know what, we'll make it up with a wood card and a sketch card. A Princess Leia. Yes. Wow, what a great box. So I did get a good box. So 3 parallel autographs. Holy cow. Can't even hold them all. And a sketch card. And a number to 10 wood card of a Jawa. Wow. I think I did pretty well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think. And more Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.